For the first time, the Kalashnikov concern has posted a video from the front line on its official resources, showing the launch of the KUB-10 kamikaze drone. In the video from the Telegram channel Nerve, the author of which, according to his reports, is in close proximity to the line of combat contact, showed a device of impressive dimensions. The aircraft, with a wingspan slightly shorter than the length of a nearby minibus, takes off from the catapult and flies towards enemy targets with the noise of a gasoline engine. Reports of a new, more powerful loitering munition from the KUB series appeared in the summer of 2024. Tests were conducted then. Already in December 2024, reports appeared that powerful kamikaze UAVs were being used at the front. It was indicated that their munition, weighing up to 11 kilograms, was several times more powerful than the warheads of earlier models of the KUB series used in the SVO since 2022. It is worth noting that the line of these loitering kamikaze drones itself dates back to 2019, when the developer presented them as the KUB UAV model with a warhead of up to 3 kilograms and a flight range of 25 kilometers. In January 2025, the Italian publication Scenari Economici reported that the Russian UAV KUB-10 was used for the first time in the Kursk region. According to the Italians, the drone hit a British Challenger tank. Experts interviewed by the Italians believe that the range of the KUB-10 may exceed hundreds of kilometers. At the end of February 2025, Kalashnikov first showed off the new KUB-10E drone with a pusher propeller and twin-fin tail assembly at the IDEX 2025 exhibition in Abu Dhabi. According to the manufacturer, the drone can hit a wide variety of targets: armored vehicles, air defense, missile defense, electronic warfare and electronic warfare facilities, command and deployment points, warehouses. It can be used day and night, in any weather, even with a wind speed of 15 meters per second. The temperature can be from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 40 degrees Celsius, and this is not an obstacle for it. The drone is launched from a catapult and flies at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour at an altitude of 100 to 2,500 meters at a range of up to 90 kilometers. Accuracy is ensured by guidance using a satellite navigation system. KUB-10E is a long-range kamikaze drone, developed by Russia's Kalashnikov concern, unveiled in December 2024. Unlike its predecessor, the KUB-BLA, which features a compact, tailless delta-wing design, the KUB-10E is larger, uses a catapult launch system, and has a conventional aircraft-type configuration with straight wings and a pusher propeller. It's designed for precision strikes on high-value targets deep behind enemy lines, including unarmored and lightly armored vehicles, command posts, air defense and missile systems, electronic warfare facilities, rear support infrastructure, fuel/ammunition depots, UAV launch sites, airfields. The KUB-10E has a significantly longer range and greater payload capacity than the KUB-LA, though exact figures remain undisclosed. Its range is speculated to rival or exceed the Giron 2 drone, potentially reaching 100 kilometers or more, based on its design similarities to the Granat 4 reconnaissance drone. Flight characteristics. Operates at altitudes of 100 to 2,500 meters, with a cruising speed of approximately 100 kilometers per hour. Likely equipped with pre-programmed coordinates, or an optical seeker for autonomous targeting. Its design offers moderate stealth, though less than the Giron 2, due to its non-stealthy engine and propeller. carries a larger warhead than the KUB-10's 3 kilograms payload, possibly up to 10 kilograms, based on comparisons with the newer KUB-2 drone. The development and deployment of the KUB-10E kamikaze drone by Russia's Kalashnikov concern are part of Russia's broader push to advance its unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) capabilities, particularly for precision strikes in modern warfare. Below is a concise history of the KUB-10E, contextualized within the evolution of the KUB series and Russia's kamikaze drone program. The KUB-10E stems from the KUB-LA, a compact loitering munition developed by Zala Aero Group, a subsidiary of Kalashnikov concern. The KUB-LA was first showcased at the IDEX 2019 Arms Exhibition in Abu Dhabi, marking Russia's entry into the kamikaze drone market. The KUB-LA featured a tailless delta-wing design, a 3-kilogram warhead, a 40 kilometers range, and a 30-minute endurance. It was designed for short-range precision strikes against light vehicles, personnel, and fortifications. The KUB-LA saw combat testing in Syria 2019-2020 against non-state actors, proving its reliability. It was later deployed in the Russo-Ukrainian War 2022-present, targeting Ukrainian positions and vehicles. The KUB-10E's deployment reflects Russia's focus on scaling drone production and enhancing loitering munitions for deep strike capabilities. Its use in Kursk suggests integration into Russia's broader drone strategy, alongside Lancet and Shahed 136 drones, to counter Ukrainian advances and target critical assets. However, its effectiveness depends on overcoming electronic warfare and air defenses, which Ukraine has increasingly deployed against Russian drones.